Hey, my friends, planner babes, what is up? It is time. I have finally received my seasonal surprise box from Erin Condren, and I'm here to unbox it with you. I have steered clear of so many sneak peeks, and I've seen the inside of the box, but that's it. So right now, I want to show you the rest. So this is the first time that I purposefully ordered other items right along with my surprise box so that it would stay safe. That pumpkin box is freaking beautiful. And for the first time, I really cared about it not getting all beat up. So let's see how we're gonna open this. It's not this way. Clearly she's been taped and retaped. So I find that to be a little suspect, but you never do know. Cut her open. I always love to give you guys my first and genuine reactions to these things, which I can't lie, are usually just straight up excitement. So, hopefully, oh my goodness, look at her. Hopefully, I'm straight up excited about this one. So, what else did I order? I ordered a strap for my bag. Okay, for any of my bags, I have a couple. I got the one that was as close to red, white, and blue as possible because I just like that. And then I got another, this makes my third triangle organizer, gold triangle paper organizer. I have one on my cart, one on my desk, and now we are going to have two on my desk. By doing that, I made it so that my box would stay pristine, no, post office markings and labels to cut off. So here we go. So seasonal surprise box for fall. The box is just, I think, is amazing. This is right up my alley. I love fall, guys. So if you have seen some of these, I hope you're watching mine and enjoying because, well, I haven't seen any. So it says the secret ingredient is love. I know that we saw that. We saw it 15 million times already, and I'm excited for that because to me, it just tells me that there are some lifestyle items in here as well. And yeah, I definitely saw some mixed reviews about this box. People are like, stick to planning, Erin Condren, and other people are like, yeah, no. All right, so we saw that for sure. And, oh, I don't know what that is, but now I do. All right, so the secret ingredient is love, and I'm gonna put this off to the side because that's how we roll when we open this blindly. Okay. Baking cups. Okay. They are absolutely adorable, just with the MCC color and the color vibe. Now, in my house, I'm gonna need 32 of these. So unless you're gonna sell these again, these are definitely just a little treat. There's like, what, 10 there? Cute, very cute. I have more kids than there are in there. All right, what are these? We did see these. These are metallic marker duo. All right. I thought that they were like a brush pen, maybe, if I remember. I feel like it's so freaking long ago. No, just a metallic. But that's cool. We like these, okay? We like these. In general, we like metallic things. So I like them. I wonder if they are a preview. Oh, because I'll check out this in a minute. I don't know if they're a preview. I have no idea. But what I will tell you is it will tell us all on that sheet. All right, I'm gonna take this out because I did just see a sneak of this on there. So let's see. This is a cupcake gifting set. So, okay, I get it. So this bad boy is to go with this bad boy. This is 2 boxes, 12 cupcake liners, 2 trays to hold 6 cupcakes per tray. All right, I see it. I'm sorry, I talk smack. That's pretty cool. I think that's very sweet. All right, put that to the side. I just didn't realize it was a set. That's pretty. All right, so I think I may poop because you guys know how much I love my gold planner clip to begin with. And now this one's rose gold with the asterisk, looking all permanent and beautiful. I totally dig this. That's really pretty. All right, I'm excited to see this one in action. I really, really like this. I hope this lives up to its hype that I'm hyping it up for. Oh, stickers. All right, mindful, grateful, thankful, all in gold. Stickers matching the box, beautiful. Another little stickers matching the box kind of thing. These ones have, to me, a little bit of a Christmassy feel, so not bad, not bad. And I think that's why. They're definitely rolling right in with this holiday petite planner. Includes checking in spread, 3 undated monthly holiday spreads, priorities and to-dos, monthly traditions, decor. All right, wow. I am really excited about this, actually. Get it done to have some fun. Holiday tracking, gift planner, group gift tracker, gift wish list, gift price tracker, gift checklist. Oh, I am digging this. Oh, I'm digging this. Guys, I gotta tell you, FedEx is pulling up to my house right now. And I just think that's awesome. So there's no monthly stickers or anything with it. Like I would expect there to be like date dots or something funky, but maybe, you know, these two, they probably go together because that's truly what they look like. They have the same vibe with them. But it would be really cool if there was monthly dots, but I'll get over it. I'll get over it. All right, a tea towel. So we all wanted to know if it was a towel, it was an apron, whatever. We wanted to know that, and guess what? It's a towel. For tea. All right. The tea towel, the secret ingredient is love, and it's super sweet. I like it. I'm sure that there are a million decoration things we could use this for. Somebody probably already turned it into a scarf. Somebody already probably turned it into a t-shirt, a purse, all that stuff, but it's big. This thing is a good size. It's longer than my arm. There's no tag on it. Oh, there is a tag on it. Mid-century circle tea towel, 21 by 28. It's bigger than a normal towel. I think it's cool. I'm not entirely sure what I will use it for, but I think it's cool. I like it. Sometimes we get stuff like this in these boxes and we don't immediately have a use for it, and then it comes to us. All right, so I gotta tell you that this is a disappointment. And I bet a lot of people were disappointed by this cover right here. Now, it is very, very pretty. I think it's rose gold. I really do. But we all wanted the cover. We all wanted, oh my gosh, we all wanted the cover that was the box. I don't really need to take this out. It's a very, very pretty cover. It needs to have a quote. EC, you need to put quotes on these. These plain covers don't do much for a ton of people. We do love the quotes. And you could have easily put the secret ingredient is love on there, and I don't think too many people would have been mad. All right, this is the thing. I'm thoroughly impressed with the way it looks already. I thought it was gonna be smaller. So by the pictures, I definitely expected it to be smaller. Okay, how does it go in there? So it's lengthwise, that's pretty cool. But it definitely denotes, oh, and this folds like yo, like the iPad things. So it will sit up. Okay, I'm about this life. This makes me happy. So the sides are perforated. So you would have to slide it over and just fold it. And you could take this whole list right with you. That works really well for a bunch of us planners where we can set things out, but we have our to-do list rocking with it. Yeah, I'm digging it. This thing is 100% worth it. It says Erin Condren. This is most likely going to be a preview because this thing is cool. All right, well, that's that. that is that. So how do we feel about all of these goodies, my friends? So we have planner, because remember we talked about how we thought it would be lifestyle. So there's one lifestyle item, planner. Here's our card that we have to check out. And all of this is planner. And the cupcake gifting set is not. There we go. So I saw some nasty comments about how EC needs to stick with the planning stuff and stop with the lifestyle stuff. And now that I'm seeing everything that's in here, I think that's totally crappy to say. I mean, this is a vibe. This is a thing. We're going into the fall, baking, gifting. Where's the problem? Why are you a hater on cupcake gifting set? I think it's cool. And I can't wait to see everybody making cupcakes and gifting them and proving whoever said that wrong. So if you're watching this, I don't agree with you. And I think EC did a good job on that little blend. They're not random. There's thought there. I think it's cool. All right, the secret ingredient is love. Let's check this out. So the towel exclusive, I kind of figured that. The raspberry and vanilla metallic marker duo. All right, let's check it out. Why is it raspberry and vanilla? Well, I mean, obviously, besides the colors. Well, let's see what they look like. I like that it kind of like jives with the baking theme of raspberry and vanilla. Very, very cute. Very, very cute. All right, let's see. This one, raspberry. Whoa. Okay. Well, it's not very metallic-y. I probably have to use it a little bit, but that's raspberry. That's raspberry for sure. I think if I use it a little bit more, the metallic will come through. And vanilla. Vanilla. There we go. Metallic markers. These are a sneak peek. So they're gonna have a bunch of other delicious flavors to go along with that. All right, metallic rose gold pen holder sneak peek. So that will be coming to the website. The metallic rose gold garden cover is an exclusive for $13. I know that we do the metallic covers. They cost a little bit more, but if you're not gonna write any words on that thing, I just think it shouldn't be $13. Cupcake gifting set exclusive holiday petite planner. Oh, that's sad. That one would be a good one to be able to buy, but that's an exclusive, so that means only here and in the box. Sticker sheet exclusive, and that notepad with stand-up holder. That one's a sneak peek, so that's cool. That one's coming to you guys. If you did not receive this box, you are going to be able to buy that thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I feel like there's a lot of stuff in here, and overall I'm pretty happy with it. What won't I use the most? That cover. I probably will not use the cover. I will absolutely use this. These stickers I will probably hoard. These I will probably try to get into the holiday planner. This thing I'm finding a place for right now. And this stuff I'm absolutely going to use. Give us any reason to bake and I'm all in. So I'm going to assume that this is, I'm not going to add it up right here, but I'm going to assume that this is an $80 value. The Circles tea towel, $12. It's a little steep, but it is big and it is branded. The marker duo, $5.50. $5.50 for 2 markers. I don't know about that. The pen holder, definitely $5.50. I would have thought it would be more. The cover should be less because it doesn't have any words on it, and that's poo-poo. The cupcake gifting set, that is an appropriate number. The petite planner, appropriate. Stickers, appropriate. Notepad is $24, and although I don't want it to be that much, that's appropriate as well. So I think it's cool. I like it. I don't care what you say. I like how they wrapped that up and made the towel a gift right along with it. So you never know, guys. You never know what you're gonna do with that. But I hope that you enjoyed watching this. I am sad for 2. Is it only 2? Yeah, I think it's only 2 reasons. 2 reasons. I wanted a damn mug, EC. Okay, I'm getting tired of this. I want a mug, and I want your covers to have quotes on them. Yes, I do. That would have been perfect. Now, you better sell a pumpkin cover that looks like that box. Because if you don't, we're all going to be mad at you. All right. That's all I have to say about that. These markers, they didn't seem too metallic, so I'm going to have to go over that. But I have to tell you that I do like the look of them. Like pencil chic almost. They're very light and very cheap feeling. If I'm being honest. I have to be honest. But I think we're done. I think we're good here. The secret ingredient is love. If you're mad about the box, maybe you need to add a little bit more of the secret ingredient into your life, because I think it's not terrible. I actually really like it. Not actually. I really like it. Good. Now, let's go incorporate all of these things into our new life and get this into this so that I can start holiday planning, because I freaking love the holidays. All right, guys, you are amazing. Don't let anybody tell you different. Let me know what your favorite item was down below. That's all I want to know. Your one favorite item. And I think my one favorite item right now in this very moment might be this. I really do. I think it's the holder. I'm all in. Might be a little bulky. We're going to see. Only time will tell. Well, this might tell. I'm in. So if it's gonna be standing up there, at least it has a place for the pen, right? All right, I'm done. What's your favorite item? If you're not already subscribed, get down there. What are you waiting for? Smash that like button. Tell me what your favorite thing is, and I will be seeing you sooner than you think. Make good choices, guys. Be good people. Peace. I'm just kidding.